see, we are at the back of the refrigerator. This refrigerator comes with the ice maker ready, and you see there's a water valve for the ice maker. This is a cover for the compressor and condenser fan compartment. So we're gonna remove it. And one important thing we have to remember, and I saw a lot of technician mistake, when you remove this, make sure you put it back. And I saw some technician is remove it but then put it back, so that's why it's gonna affect in the airflow and the heat release from your condenser coil and the compressor, and that's gonna affect the cooling of your refrigerator. So make sure you take it out, put it back. Alright, as you see, we remove the cover, and you can see this is the compressor. This is your condenser fan, and this is your filter dryer for your Freon. And you see how dirty it is, the coil behind there and over here. All this is 90% problem of most of the refrigerators not working correctly. All these need to be done when we turn the unit. Need to clean all the coil, or you should do all this when we working on the refrigerator. So we make sure keep our coil clean, and the air can move freely and the heat can release, and it's gonna be cost effective for the refrigerator. Alright, let me remove the front cover for the condenser coil, so we can look at the bottom. It's real dirty. And this tool right here is condenser coil clean for the refrigerator. What you do is slice it in and out. So we can clean everything. And you're gonna use a soft vac. So everything should be clean right now. You see the coil. Alright. Alright, we clean all the condenser, coil, compressor and condenser fan motor. We make sure everything clean, and now we're gonna do the demonstrating of removal of the condenser fan motor and put it back in as you replace with the new one. This particular refrigerator is the Whirlpool, and at the right here where the hole right here, you have a leg right here. Use your flat screwdriver, push down and pop in, and move it to your right hand, and lean your evaporator fan to the left hand, and you can slightly take it out. Then you can remove 3 screws on the back of the condenser fan motor, unplug the wire, then you can remove the motor, pop in with the new motor, put the 3 screws back, put the wire back, and you can reconnect it, the condenser fan support frame back into the refrigerator. So let's do that. Now we got it back in. So that condenser fan is done. Let's look at the compressor. You have this is a compressor right here. That's the cover for your compressor fan relay overload protection. And this particular doesn't have the run capacitor, so we don't have to check that. Let me pop the cover out so we can expose the parts inside. The power is already turned off. As you see right here, this part right here, that's your overload protection. That's your compressor relay. This particular relay is an older style. You can see it got a coil on it. It's called a coil relay. This is not very easy to test it. So if this compressor kick in, kick out, trying to start or humming, you know one of them is not good. So the quickest way to make a repair is we use the 3-in-1. It's come with the relay overload and the start capacitor, and it's got 5 wire on the 3-in-1. The first 2 black wire right here is for your power. It can go to it can go to either one. The other 3 is you got black, red, and white. The black is for your common terminal on your compressor. The red one is for your run terminal on your compressor. The white one is for your start terminal on your compressor. Make sure before you replace it, you make sure you got all power going to your compressor. With this particular refrigerator, your red wire is your power, your common is your white, and the ground is your green wire. So make sure you got power go to there. Remove these 2 components, the fan relay, the compressor relay, the overload protection. Then install your 3-in-1 according to the diagram on the body of the 3-in-1. And one thing I want to mention is, you can see this 2 right here. If you have a run capacitor in your refrigerator for the compressor, you can pop this out and make sure you connect these 2 on your run capacitor. If not, you can just leave the cover on and don't worry about it. And as soon as you pop this in your compressor, turn the power back on, and compressor is running, the problem is solved. If the compressor is not running, you're gonna have to replace the compressor or the new refrigerator, depending on the age of the refrigerator. And after we done all this, let's pop this back. And one thing important is to make sure we put the cover back. on your refrigerator. We know a lot of technicians forgot to put this back. It's gonna affect the refrigerator. And I think that's it for our refrigerator training video clip. Be safe on site, and I'll see you next time on the next video clip for different appliances.